Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber and we are a homeschooling family of two kiddos, ages 6 and 11, and today we are just going to get some cleaning done. Okay, so yesterday I knocked out the living room and I still need to do the office, and I did the dining room. As far as sweeping and mopping goes, they're typically the worst rooms and have the most stuff in them to get picked up and even prepared to sweep and mop. I need to do our bedroom. I did the hallway there, and I still need to do Keaton's room in there, but he is still sleeping, so I won't disturb him. Instead, I'm going to vacuum and probably disturb him. Although he has a sound machine and a fan going, so he probably doesn't hear a whole lot going on outside his bedroom. I'm not quite sure why the homeowner put carpet in the kitchen before us, but at this point of living here for about 9 years, it is pretty nasty. You know, you're always spilling things and it's just gross. But I believe this room will be next on our to-do list as far as the big projects go. So hopefully it will go away soon. Sorry about the angle here, guys. You're gonna hang out in the bathroom for a hot minute while I sweep the hallway. This is a very odd shaped area, so I will do my absolute best of getting a good shot here. Kenzie loves to pack up her suitcase and act like she's going somewhere, so it seems to be out all the time. That's a box of free books that I'm going to put into our yard sale, and some books that Kenzie missed when she rearranged the bookshelves. Here is when I decide to get rid of the rug that I pulled up from the floor. It is leaving a sticky residue on the floor, and all the cat hair and everything is sticking to it. And not even the mop would take it up, so I'm gonna have to get something to scrub it off with. I promise here, guys, I did not force her to give me the mop here. I really like to allow her to do things like this for, life skills. But she decided she was finished. When I was pregnant with Kenzie, and even when I was able to stay home for, I think it was about 8 months, I had a pretty consistent schedule on cleaning, but now that we are homeschooling and I'm working outside the home, and the mental stress of things, I don't have a regular schedule. I really should. With 2 messy kids and a long-haired cat, it can get pretty gross. But I try my best, and that's all we can do, right? One of these days, you guys, I'm gonna have me an actual dishwasher and not me. The kitchen we're in, or the kitchen we have now, is very small. Not really any room to put a dishwasher. And then I thought about doing one that you just hook up to your faucet, but then we really have no place to store it when we're not using it. And then I thought about getting a countertop dishwasher, but we really have no countertops. So for now, it is going to be by hand until we can get our house done and sold and moved, and hopefully then I will have myself an amazing dishwasher. Alright guys, so Kenzie would like me to introduce you to Stella. Stella's a very old baby doll, and she wants you to see her cow hair clip there. So she's very proud of Stella. Stella goes a lot of places with us. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I still have the office to sweep and mop, but Keaton plays on his computer in there, so I'm going to wait until a little bit later. I have to be at Bible study in about 45 minutes, so it's time to get the kids rounded up and taken to my grandparents so that I can go to Bible study. My husband is going to get the oil changed in his truck today after work, and my grandma's going to take the kids to one of our local libraries. They have a special guest tonight that's going to have reptiles and things. So yeah, that is what the plans are for the rest of the day. Oh, and I need to start setting up for the yard sale that I'm going to have this weekend, on top of working Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Since Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening, and the yard sale will be from like 9 to 2ish. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope that you were able to get something accomplished as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.